Hello everyone, good morning. How are you doing today, all of you? This is Atikul Ansari. I am going to make one video about daily routine. Okay, so let's begin. I usually wake up 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I catch up on my bed. Then I go to washroom. Then I come back from the washroom. Then I brush my teeth. Then I drink one glass of water. Then I read a newspaper because I love to read newspaper. Then I drink a tea. Then I go to tuition. Then I come back from the tuition 8 o'clock. Then I have my breakfast. After breakfast, I get ready for school. Then I go to school 9 o'clock. After that, I come to school 1 o'clock. After that, I take lunch with my family. Then I take a nap 1 hour. Then I take hot tea with my parents. Then I go to evening walk. Then I sit for study 6 to 8 o'clock. Then I take my dinner with my brother 9 o'clock. Then I watch television 30 minutes. Then I sleep 10 o'clock. Thank you everybody. You can see the view. Here is mountain also. Here is trees also and forest also. You can see the village also, and here is eraser also, and here is trees also. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much, and like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much everyone. Little bit raining also.